Blackboard tutorial, Grading Schema and Grade Display. This tutorial addresses grading schema modification and grade display management within your Blackboard Grade Center. To view your total column as a list of letter grades, you will likely need to first modify your grading schema. After you've logged into your course, go to Evaluation and then the Grade Center. Then click on Manage and Grading Schemas. For the letter schema, click on the drop-down arrow and choose Edit. Here is your existing grading schema. If this grading scheme matches the one that you are using, scroll to the bottom of the page and click Submit. If it does not match what you are using, change the boundary percentages for each letter grade. When adjusting the lower boundary percentage of a letter grade in the grading schema, Blackboard automatically changes the upper boundary percentage as well. For instance, if you change the lower boundary of an A grade to a 93, the upper boundary for an A- grade also changes to a 93%. This prevents you from making any unintentional errors in your grading schema. If you need to remove a row, click Delete Row. If you need to add a row, click the arrow to the right. If you insert a row, you will need to enter the correct boundary information for the new letter grade, as well as the Calculate As percentage. Blackboard will warn you if something still does not match up properly, such as two lower grade boundaries being the same. To appropriately change this grading schema, change this 64% to a 60, put in D- for the letter grade, change the Calculate As value to a 62. Then change this 60 to a 0 so that F is now between 0 and 60%, and change the Calculated As value to a 59.5. When you are finished, click Submit. Then click OK. To change your Grade Center total column so that students will be able to see their accurate letter grades, first go to your Grade Center. Then click on the double arrows at the top of your total column. Choose Edit Column Information. Note that the default setting is Score for any manually or automatically created columns. Next to Primary Display, choose Letter. Please note the students only see the primary display. The secondary display is only shown in the instructor view in the Grade Center. For the secondary display, change it to Percentage. Note, you can choose any combination of two displays to show in the gradebook out of Score or Points, Percentage, or Letter. Then click Submit. You will now see that your total column is showing the running total percentage and associated letter grade for each student. Note again that the students will only see the letter grade. This concludes the tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to email blackboard@missouri.edu.